Magandang umaga sa lahat, no? Ngayon magtuturo tayo ng shadow fightings, no? Most likely ginagamit ito sa Muay Thai, kickboxing, no? So shadow fighting lang to. So halimbawa ganitong sistema, no? So step by step natin. So you need to jab, and foot. So jab, foot. You need to move your body and jab, foot, kick, foot. Dito tayo. Jab, foot, kick, chop. Or push kick, no? So jab. So dagdag natin guys yung drop sweep, no? With cross. So ganito, no? 1, 2, cross. So 1, 2, cross. So 1, 2, cross. Then get kick. Back to on guard position. So jab, sweep, cross. 1, kick. Okay. Again. So move your body. Jab, sweep, hook, and then kick. Yes. Again. Jab, sweep, hook, then kick. So again. So jab, sweep, hook, kick. Yes. So, guys, pwede rin natin nahin yung frontal kicks, no? Bago tayo mag-deliver ng punch, no? So, tulad ganito. Medyo apiki ka na. Pwede mo i-front kick agad. Apiki ka na. Or push kick mo. Push kick mo, jab sweep, hook, and push kick. Catch! Good. Again. So, jab, sweep, hook, and push kick. Roundhouse. And pwede rin, apiki ka na. So, push kick, then roundhouse. So, again. So, push kick, roundhouse. So, pwede rin, roundhouse, push kick, no? Roundhouse and push kick, push, then 1, 2, push. Again, roundhouse, push kick, push, and 1, 2, 3. Again, 1, 2, 3, push kick, push, push. 1, 2, 3, push, push. And sa knee tayo. Dagdag natin yung knee. So, una, no? Itong ginagawa natin. Itong gagawin natin, no? So, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And push kick. Push. Again. 1, 2, 3. And push kick, push. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Thank you for watching, guys.